Many of us can relate to hurt, pain, trauma, and injury that has been inflicted upon us either by ourselves or by others, and in many ways breeds anger, resentment, and hatred. And this can affect our relationship with others and with God. We cannot change our past action, neither can we change the actions of people around us. But one thing that we can change is how we respond and relate to those actions. So the question is, how do we handle hate, hurt, and resentment? And one of the ways to do that is forgiving. Many people are familiar with the idea of forgiveness, but they do not really understand the concept behind it and how its application can effectively transform our daily lives positively. I want you to join me the next 30 days as I take you on a journey of forgiveness. The forgiveness series will address questions like, why is forgiveness so hard? What forgiveness is, and more. So stay tuned by following, subscribing to Life with King Wisdom, and let us go together in this journey of forgiveness. I remain King Wisdom, aka Lover Boy, aka Jesus Boy, one and only second to none. Till next time, love you.